Now to a pair of developing stories from overnight. Police say the driver of a tractor-trailer rig drifted off the road around 10:40 last night on East Loop 289 just north of 50th Street. News Channel 11 photojournalist John Berry was there right after it happened. The semi crashed through a guardrail and then went down between two overpasses before landing in a creek. The wreck caused the trailer to burst, spilling thousands of packages of peanut butter. It took firefighters about an hour and a half to cut the driver out of the cab. He was taken to UMC to be treated for hypothermia and injury to his legs.